So pi often gets this sort of mysterious reputation as some sort of strange number, and it is a little bit strange. It appears in lots of different places, but the definition of pi is actually very simple. So to define pi, first of all, we just have to define two concepts, properties of a circle. So the length of any line passing from one side of the circle to another side that goes through the center will be the same. So whether it's this line I've drawn on here, or whether we go for this straight line, okay, that'll be the same length, and the length of this line is called the diameter. We'll represent that with a small d. Okay, so that's property one. And then if we were to roll out the circle, okay, so say this circle was joined together here, and we were going to roll it out into one long string, okay, so we're going to roll out the whole circle into this long straight line. The length of that line is the circumference, okay? So those are two definitions. And then this special number pi is equal to the circumference of any circle divided by the diameter of the same circle. And it's a very special property of circles that all circles, when you take the circumference and you divide it by the diameter, you get the same number, and that's this special number pi. Why is this? Well, if we think about it, it actually kind of makes sense. I mean, circles have to take this very specific shape, okay, otherwise they're not a circle. So they have to, from this center point, all straight lines have to be equidistant away from the side of the circle, okay? So it makes sense that the diameter, the length of a line through the center, is somehow related to the perimeter of the circle. Essentially, the circumference is the same as the perimeter of the circle. So it does make sense that these are related, and it turns out this is equal to pi. The reason we give this a special letter and we write pi is because if the number was nice, if say c divided by d was always equal to 5, we would just write that down, okay, because that's like easy to remember. But pi is actually equal to 3.15. Embarrassing, I can't remember any more digits, but it goes on forever and ever. So that's why we give it this special symbol pi, and this is what we write down, okay? And if we were to write it literally, we'd write that down. Okay, so hopefully this was a nice introduction to pi. If you are interested in maths going forward, pi is going to come up a hell of a lot more in a lot of different places. So yeah, look forward to that. Or if you hate maths, then just be sure to remember this, and then after you're done with your exam, don't think about it ever again. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful.